making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Good morning. Kagabi pala hindi ko na na-close yung vlog. Yun si Jen. Kasi nabisi kami ni Sisi gumawa ng content sa TikTok pero pinost namin sa Reels. Yun ako yung nagawang 6 or 7 ata na basta yung mga bloopers pinost ko sa Reels. And then yung feeling namin na tama naman at nagawa namin ni Sisi doon sa Reels ni Sisi sa FB. Tsaka sa TikTok. So panoorin nyo na lang guys kasi nakakatawa. Feeling namin nakakatawa. And today, ang alis namin, naayos ko na dito. And again, thank you Sisi Reyes and Danny Boy. Luto na ata doon si Sisi ng breakfast sa mga bata. Habang siya busy doon, ako naman nag-ayos dito at nagligpit ng mga gamit namin. Ito sa kanya to, hiniram ko. Yung mga tawas na ginamit namin, ibababa ko. Ilinis natin dyan para wala nang gagawin dito si Sisi. Dito rin sa toilet. So, okay na. Malinis na dito. Yung sa boys, okay na rin. Na ano na rin nila yung bed. Okay, baba na tayo. And ako pala yung magdadrive pa uwi. First time ko itong gagawin in my life na magdadrive from the city hanggang sa amin. Kasi nga, di ba, merong binili si Jen na car para dun sa friend niya na matanda. Kasi nagpabili yun. Kasi nga hindi niya na kaya mag-drive papunta dito ang Adelaide. So yung car na binili ni Jan is pang biyahe-biyahe niya lang pag pumupunta siya ng shop, ng doctor appointment. So pinasuyo niya kay Jan na pabili dito ng car. So, yun ang i-drive ni Jan pa uwi. So, ako ang magda-drive ng car namin. Ayan. Eto pa, dadalhin ko ito dun sa baba, sa laundry ni Sisi. So, yun guys. Good luck. Good luck talaga. Kinakabahan niya ako eh. Kasi, syempre, mahaba yun. 5 hours drive. Di ba? Ang dami kong dala. Binabanan ni Jan yung mga luggages namin. Okay, see you. Baba na tayo. Kami na talaga, ang dami. Ayan, luto ni Sisi. Kumain na yung mga bata. Kami hindi ako makain ng pizza. Ang dami pang pizza nila. Ikaw, pizza girl! Hello! Ito, kakain na naman ito, baby.
Kasi hindi nag-pizza. Nag-milk siya tapos nag-pizza.
Kain na yan. Thank you Lord, thank you Ray.
That's alright. Kala ko kulang-kulang ulam natin. Ang dami, sobra-sobra pala.
Ang dami.
Merong doon, brown rice.
Yeah. Okay. Gamitin ko na lang yung kay Holly. Kasi, tira niya itong hotdog. May dangit pa pala tayo.
Kaya ano? Yung suka. Masarap?
Mama, I have a yoni on this.
Yeah.
Next.
Hello, that one.
Yes. You like it?
Ang sarap ng danggit.
Masarap ba? Yan
Hindi
sa ano lang
maalat.
yan. Sa Welcome Asia lang yan.
Hindi
Sarap din
maalat.
pala.
I'll open it.
Mas malaman.
Mas malaman?
Oo, sila natulog.
Where's your
I don't know. Basta nung pag-akyat nila.
Kasi na,
Sabay ba kayo? Akyat?
nauna ako sa mga si Holly. Tapos tinanong ko na, umakyat na ba sila dito? Na hindi pa.
Okay, so yeah. Nauna ka pero matagal ka natulog.
Nung nag-ano pa ako, nag-skincare, tapos upo-upo muna ako guys. Parang kaya, pinanood ko lang yung mga review natin. Nawakan ako ng
Sorry my love, can you please open? Thank you very much. Gumawa kami guys ng maraming TikTok kagabi. Ang dami namin nagawang TikTok kagabi. Pinanood niyo pa ulit-ulit. Eh, kami lang din naman yun.
Tawa ko ng tawa.
Panoorin niyo ang ano, Facebook ha. Ang dami naming entry doon.
Magiging active ko sa Facebook Reels.
Yeah.
Abangan nyo yan.
Abangan niyo. Abangan niyo. Pati TikTok namin abangan niyo.
Abangan nyo.
Abangan niyo yung lahat. Napakadami.
Ang dami nun. Pare-parang lang damit.
Ano yung damit? Hindi kami prepared eh.
Hindi. Ako na. Hindi prepared. Hindi rin naman
So,
marunong.
towards the end, sabi ko, ako na talaga nakahuli. Ako na talaga nakahuli the whole time. Ano ba? Tumba? Pakain ka ba?
Tapos
Looks pretty
nagtingin.
cool. Yeah. Like this is Ezra.
What's Ezra? Where's that? In
Middle of Australia.
Darwin, right? Is it Darwin? Yeah.
Oh, no, Matagari.
Yeah, it's nice. But it's red dirt. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
Because I asked Jam, no, it's gonna dirt our car like red.
Malilinis naman yan dito.
Pero pula talaga, as in.
Kasi nung nagpunta din kami ng ano, where did we go? One Easter when they didn't make it?
Okay, we're doing the Flinders.
Yeah.
That's spewing there, but that was a good.
That was a really good
place.
trip. Yeah.
Yeah, is it nice?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Really
It's not
nice.
lovely.
You
Maybe one
were-
day.
Dang.
No, we'll go back. Because I wouldn't mind going back. Not maybe next year, the year after.
Yeah, Easter ba?
Easter in 2027.
Yeah.
Remember, Mom.
You don't even remember? I saw you photos. You'll
But you
remember.
John would love it.
Yeah.
Like, it's just very good scenery, very different, like very Australian scenery.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, so next Easter.
Yeah.
Don't know.
I think Jam's too excited to drive that car.
Oo nga pala. Good luck sa'yo.
Kinakabahan nga.
Huwag kang kabahan. Parang
I said to him this morning, I said, how did you get that crack in your front spotlight? Because I was.
Wala.
Nah, just kidding. He goes, when I was walking, I saw you wanted to choke me this time.
Yung kain mo pala. Ang kapo. Ang ka kumakain. Parang yan. Ang kumakain. Ang kumakain.
kasi yung wife na tukod na ni Ayla.
Ito pareho lang.
Pareho. Maliit lang siya.
Check this out, Johnny. What's that? That's got water. Right. What do these people say? How nice is that? Yeah, right.
You sure they stay there?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I reckon that's the hut there to get your chickens and stuff like that.
It's quite nice.
Yeah.
We were too young to remember.
What?
We didn't go there, but we went to somewhere kind of similar. Similar view. I'll show you. Hindi niya daw maalala yung nagpunta kami ng ano.
Babalik ko small. Baby.
Yeah.
You're this big.
Yeah, I was so little.
Oh my gosh. Arlo was only... That was April. He was born March.
Yeah, 1 month, 2 months.
My goodness.
Kung ito nagpag, ano.
Arlo was really young. Wait, let me just look Arlo.
At the same time, so you have to carry everything. No, nothing yet.
Birthday card!
Open at the same time.
Birthday
This
card!
card is meant for you. Just by fate. Whatever card you get is meant for you. What card do you get? It's just by fate. Is it pink?
What you gonna say? Wow! Wow, thank you.
That's alright. I told them what different amounts. But I didn't put the name on it, so
Yeah.
I just wanted to do for Holly this card. That was Holly's. That was CJ's.
Ah!
You got the monkey one, yeah.
Kuya nga. Sabi ni Kuya, huwag daw ako mag-vlog. You gonna vlog me, yeah?
So you got everything?
Yeah. Yeah.
Grocery?
Oh, you take that over
Grocery,
after
thank
4
you,
weeks.
love. See you in 2 weeks. Ate, Ayla! Ano, sapatos pang baby girl mo?
Wow, purple!
I'll see you in 2 weeks, okay? See you in 2 weeks. Where's Arlo?
I don't know.
Dong! Dong, we're going by, Dong! See you in 2 weeks. You're coming to my house? Okay, huh? In 2 weeks, okay? Love you! Love you! Kasi nga nahihiyan na siya.
Mag-ano kasi lang kami, fist bump.
Pero kaya nga.
Bye.
Bye!
Dog, where's mine?
Lay down. Lay down. Sorry.
Bye!
Say bye to Kuya Sam.
Thanks, Red. Thanks for your house.
Anytime.
Alright.
Bye, Kuya.
Ayla, bye to Tito Jan. See you in 2 weeks.
Yeah, see you soon.
Shoot him down, shoot him down.
Sit back there.
Mud. Dog.
Okay, Kuya. Okay, see ya! Bye.
They only sang for 2 nights.
Yeah. Bye, God!
This is your second time driving it?
No. Yeah. See you!
And no speeding.
I'm not gonna speak, Kuya. I know what I'm doing, okay? I'm not scared. Is it alright there?
No.
Alright, you're good.
What? Cars go in front of Dad. and
Put the
then
lens,
you don't know
Kuya.
Oh, yeah. I know where to go.
Yeah.
Oh, right?
Yeah.
No, that's all right.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Yeah. I'm just... Why that one's blinking?
Because we're going this way.
It's 50. Is that registered already, Kuya?
Yeah.
That's car?
Yeah.
Already. Do you get my folder yet?
Ready, Mum? What? They're connected.
They're not connected.
Didn't I said there was some? Yeah. Ready?
It's only those ones down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's connected. That one's connected.
That's not. That is.
That is. That is. That is. That is. That is.
How's my driving so far, Kuya?
He's doing 60.
No, I'm not 50.
Oh, you were?
No, it's
That's
50.
connected.
What?
Talk to us.
Good this way, good this way. Yeah.
It's 50 here, right?
It's 50 everywhere.
Yeah. That one is not gonna go fast. Kuya, that one.
Yeah.
Yes, it will. It's got a good engine, yeah.
You think so?
It looks neat.
Well, it looks
The
near.
engine.
We're going to the RGA first.
Oh.
RGR.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
no, RGA.
RJR.
Oh no, we're going to the IDA thing.
Oh, What's that?
No.
Okay, yes.
After this what comes. Look at Dad, stop. Just let that go.
Nag-stop si Jam pag maraming car. Nag-pull over siya somewhere para hintayin niya ako.
I'll have a good sleep here.
Think so? You can relax, Kuya.
Go.
Yeah.
No.
Na? Why? I'm alright.
Here.
What? What lane is Daddy? 1 or 2?
It's one lane.
No, it's 2.
He's in the middle.
I know.
Because it goes to one lane.
It will merge. It's 50 here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was not doing 50.
Did you drive in
Taliban.
America?
Yeah. No, there is worse side, but we're always in a highway. 4 lanes. It's just that they don't want me to drive in the city, that's it.
Where are we going to the
Yeah.
Oh. Is that
So maybe
right?
I'm just gonna
Just go in.
have to go
What if they
in.
restopped? What if they restopped?
You stop what?
Oh, you don't
Just
need to
gonna-
come in.
Just go that middle one. Over here, over here.
I'm just gonna park here.
Why do you need to go to RGA?
I'm just gonna park here. Okay, come. Kuha lang sila ng lollies dito sa IGA.
Coming out your way.
Ayun,
None.
there's none?
Then what?
The choco?
Drink, I said.
Oh,
Oh, later.
Oh no.
Okay. Where's Daddy?
Just like that.
Wala yung
Yeah,
chocolates
you
na
want
gusto nila. Kailang muna natin.
this is where every stuff goes.
Si Johnny
No,
Boy.
that's my seat, so great.
Oh my god. How's my back? Okay.
Uy.
Oh, I cannot see.
Go off this car.
Yeah.
Is it hard controlling the steering?
Let's play music now, Kuya.
Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. First snow of Christmas is falling from above. It's a sight of wonder, a magic time of love, and the joy found in each other. It bears a witness of the first snow of Christmas is falling from above. Oh, the first snow of Christmas is falling from
We're home, guys. Guys, nag-drive na ako mga 40 minutes.
What are you doing?
Bumalik
Is that
kami
what he
dito
said?
kung saan nabili ni Jen yung car. Kasi hindi
Is that what he
nag-change
said?
ng gear.
Get all this crap, Mom.
Tapos ng aking driving, driving pa uwi. Dito na lang ako daan. Ang bilis naman ng ating
We did it when I was
drive.
when I was
Hindi talaga tayo makapag-drive pa. May pumipigil. Akala ko makapag-drive na ako all the way home, babe. Akin na. Put that one at the back. Oh. And get my pillow. So, para mag-edit na lang tayo. So, iwan na lang daw dito yung car. Did you ring him, Han?
Yeah.
Is that him? So, when you gonna... It's Sunday din, so walang workers. Pero tinawagan niya lang. Sabi, iwan lang daw dito yung car.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I just had all the lights up polished. What a new head attack on the...
Oh, madami nang ginawa din si Jan. Pinalitan niya ng lights yung sa harapan. Tapos kahapon, nag-change sila yung parang, yung parang nalagyan ng tubig. Okay naman siya kahapon ngayon. Buti hindi pa kami nakakalayo. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa highway. Nagtaka ako, sabi ko dapat magtuturn na kami papuntang highway. nag-line up siya sa, sa middle. So, nagtataka kami nila Kuya, tapos nagaganon si Jan, magdiretso lang daw kami. So, after nun, tumawag siya, yun nga. Ibalik yung car. Fix yun.
I did notice when I was taking back, go first, second, and then go third, sort of rev up and go third, and then
I thought I will drive 5 hours, Baba, all the way. Ito na sana yung chance natin makakapag-drive tayo ng mahaba, 5 hours.
So Dad,
I mean,
you can drive. That will tell you where to go.
yeah, I mean makadrive ba tayo ng from the city to home. But it's alright. Baka hindi today, next time na lang. And yeah, in 2 weeks, si Ray's and the fam bam
They're gonna come on the last day of October 31st.
to celebrate, to spend,
Spend time in Halloween.
yes, Halloween.
They're only staying for 2
So,
days.
yeah. So, lahat na sila kapag experience ng Halloween, yung mga bata. Si Ayla, si Arda, tapos ngayon si Indy naman. Thank you. See ya. Okay. Back to your own seat.
See, now you want
See you, Uwian.
Mom wants to draw.
Can I drive, Han? What do you mean you want to get home? You will get home.
Let's see.
Ba, nag-drive ba ako hindi tayo makaka-uwi?
Let's see.
Kuya, you thought you're gonna be sitting here all the way. Si Kuya sa asayan niya rin kasi sa front siya.
Sleep too.
Sa front siya makakaupo all the way home. Tawagan niya si Dan.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas.
Nag-stop kami dito sa Allendale para magpagas and si Johnny Boy kumuha ng Krispy Kreme. Si Kuya kumuha ng drink.
Oh yeah.
Lollies, silang lahat. Kumuha ulit ng lollies kasi nga hindi sila nakakuha ng lollies doon sa una natin inastopan except kay Holly may nakuha siya ata. But kumuha ulit siya. Okay, diretso na tayo sa bahay. We're not gonna stop na, ha?
Yeah.
Weh.
Everywhere.
Ever mag-stop si sir.
I don't want to go bloody.
Busog pa kami kasi late, kumain tayo mga 11 something calories. Tapos nagdala kami pizza kasi ang daming tira. So yun yung dinner nila mamaya. Where are you going, hon?
Maybe Chona.
Eating here. I'm gonna eat your donut. Here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I got one. This is my last. Kasi sa Monday, mag-strict diet ako. Strict diet. Ita-try ko yun. May gagawin tayo. May gagawin. May listahan ako ng aking mga kakainin for a week. Ngayon, eto carbs and sugar. Tomorrow, no more. As in, maging strict ako. I-try ko kung mag-work sa akin yun. Ang tamis talaga. Hindi ko na kayang kumain. Okay na ako dyan. Ayoko. Grabe yung glaze. Ganda ng weather dito. Pero doon daw sa amin hindi maganda ang weather.
Allendale.
Wow, you're round 2, honey. My God, ang bilis kumain ni Jan. Si Jan, sweet tooth din si Jan. Ako din, pero nakukontrol ko naman. Dami ko kasing kinain kila Sisi. As in, pork belly. Ang sarap din kasi. Pero ngayon, hindi, mag-ano ako. May listahan ako ng mga bibilin kong pagkain.
No, 11 baht.
Malteser, so oh, yeah. Alright, let's go back. What? Coffee?
You know it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock.
Already?
Yeah, 1 o'clock na, guys. Dito na kami sa MAC. Daan lang kami dito sa Woolies. Kasi bukas, back to school na sila. Kuha tayo na, yeah. Kuha tayo ng baon. Na mababaon nila bukas, ha? Si Zach nagbili ng chocolate. Get a small, yeah, just as well as quick because Daddy said quick. So, kuha lang dala ako ng para bukas. Tapos, balik na lang ako dito. Bukas din, kasi may dance naman to eh. I'm gonna be in the fruit or veggies here. Meron silang manggang ganito, itry namin. First time ko itong nakita dito sa Woolies. Sa Asian meron minsan. So, kuha tayong tatlo.
I'm trying to like that.
Yeah. So far, ayun yung nakuha namin. More veggies. Dito na pala sa cashier. And binili ko na yung mga kakailanganin ko na gagawin kong meals for 1 week for myself. For myself. Kasi iba rin yung kakainin ko sa kakainin ng aking family. Thank you. Para hindi na tayo kumain ng kung ano-ano. Lakas na ng ulan sa labas. Let's run. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Bye! Ang lakas ng ulan. Same day pa, nagpaalam na kami. Ibabaan pala namin yung mga gamit sa bahay. And punta lang kami dito saglit sa farm. Para
How many cannibals?
no, I don't know. Check lang namin tong strawberries.
One.
And hindi pa sila hinog. Ito walang bunga. Meron ito pero dito wala. This one.
One doesn't have nuts.
Ito wala.
And these ones?
Wala rin. Wala, matagal pa to. Wala, chinak lang muna namin dito sa farm. Lamig. Okay. See you next time. Nakabalik na pala kami from the farm and niluluto ko na yung aking kakainin for 1 week. So, ayan yung salmon. Ayan yung bok choy. Ito yung mushroom zucchini. May zucchini pa tayo dito. And ayan pa more veggies. Ayan yung broccoli din.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go.